Hey y'all, this video, I'm not cooking in this video, but I am here to introduce y'all to the most incredibly talented man. His name is Jim Hankins, and he lives in Granger, Texas, and I got a letter from Jim. And he said, "Good morning from Texas. I wanted to send something to you both as a showing of thanks. And thanks for sharing your recipes, your life, and your infectious laugh." Thank you, Jim. Jim is actually on the phone with me right now. So you want to say, hey, Jim?
Hello, everybody.
So Jim wrote me a letter and said that he wanted to make something for me and Eddie in thanks for the time that we send everybody out on YouTube. And I was blown away. My breath was taken away with what Jim sent that he had made with his own two hands.
So Jim, tell us, starting with your initial email, tracking us down, how it all came about.
Yeah.
Well, I feel like it's illegal. I feel horrible.
No.
I actually looked up Eddie's email, and literally from your introduction video about Eddie, got his last name and looked up at how you could do that. And I got on Google and searched. And anyway, I was in Hilton Head, and I thought, I'd certainly like to make something and drop it off, and wanted just to make sure that I could drop it off at the post office box outside, and that y'all wouldn't call the bomb squad. And so anyway, I had emailed these three addresses. They didn't come. Two of them immediately came back, so I shut the computer down and I called the shop, and the shop said, yes, Eddie picks up fan mail once a week. Drop it off here. And she said, in fact, if you're in town tomorrow, or I think Saturday, Saturday, come by. Paula's having a book signing. You can meet her and have some pictures taken with her. And I was just thrilled, as happy as I could be. So, and it just didn't play out that way, though.
Oh, how did it play out?
Well, the house was done and finished, and Sue's house is up. It's a beach house, and so you got to come downstairs.
You were in Hilton Head. and going right over to Savannah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And so I got up that morning at the crack and was coming down the stairs, and Hamish, my dog, he's 1 year old, rushed past me, and just out of natural instinct, I'm holding his house, and I grabbed the rail, and the house fell onto the steps. And it was pretty much okay to the 3 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, Jim, we lost that last little line.
Okay, which part was I at?
And it was in pretty good shape except for...
Okay, except for the roof. The roof came off and kind of smashed into pieces.
Oh.
And I was just devastated because at 7 o'clock in the morning, there was glue around, but not where I could get to it. Everything was packed back up in the car.
Yes.
And I thought, I can't give it to Paula like this. And so I thought, I'm just going to take it home. So,
makes me want to cry, Jim. Because I know you're disappointed.
So close. It was so close.
Oh.
We even passed through, how you have to pass through Savannah, go to Florida.
Yeah.
Or over anywhere. And we even passed through Savannah, and we would have been there at perfect time. But looked at the clock, in fact, it's 8:20. And I think I wrote you in that letter, I said, I think I pounded all the way to the Texas line. I did. I just took up.
You said yes through Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana, maybe.
You just sit there in the car seat and just shake your head.
I know.
I can't believe that happened. So anyway, I got home the next day. I fixed it. I made it even fortified it even better, and then I shipped it to you. So there you are.
Well, y'all, can you believe this incredible house that Jim made for me? And I want to show you what he made for Eddie. He made him a tipsy trunk. Y'all, show him your trunk, Eddie.
It's like an advent calendar.
An advent calendar. Eddie, speak up there so we can hear you.
And it has It has like a daily dose of
medicine.
Of medicine, yeah. However you want to stock it.
What medicine is that, Eddie?
This one here is a Deep Eddy.
A Deep Eddy.
Deep Eddy.
Which is appropriate. I think that's out of Austin, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, a Deep Eddy.
Yeah, and I was very unfamiliar with that brand, but
that's alcoholic though, isn't it?
Yes.
It looks like lemonade.
I know you're not a big drinker. So
I'm really not. I'm crazy enough just straight up.
I know.
Well,
but
listen,
that's a fun gift to do.
So it's incredible when somebody gives you that much out of their life in hours and minutes. It's truly a wonderful gift. And I've got a picture here that you sent me of your sister and your mom and yourself. So this is what Jim looks like, and that's his sister, and his mother is deceased. And he said that I remind him so much of his mother.
So much.
Was she a little devil?
She was pretty. She was quiet.
I'm not quiet.
Very elegant lady. Lady.
That sounds like you're talking about my mother.
I'm talking about you.
My mother was so ladylike, and then here I come. Well, it's just incredible. I wish I had time to read your whole letter to everybody, but oh my gosh, there's a Christmas tree he decorated, y'all. The picture's not the best on that, but
no, it's not.
You're like me, Jim. I have almost no green showing on my Christmas tree.
I know it.
I just load it with ornaments. But now, when people see this, Jim, you know they're going to want to know how to get in touch with you.
Sure. Yes.
All right. So is it best to do it by email?
I think probably the best way to even get to me is to go to my website, which is thegentlemancrafter.com.
Thegentlemancrafter.com. And it doesn't matter whether it's capital or lowercase, right?
No, ma'am, I don't think so. I don't think it matters at all. And at the top, there's tabs that you can find out what I'm doing and where my shop is, my internet shop, and that kind of stuff.
Do you have? So you have a website?
Yes, ma'am. It's thegentlemancrafter.com, and then under that, I have another shop that I use that's linked to that website.
Oh, okay. So people that know what they're doing can find you. I'm not real. I'm kind of almost computer illiterate.
Me too. I used to be so good at that, but not anymore.
That world is past me, honey. So, what projects are you doing right now, Jim? Are you're not in a store anywhere?
No, ma'am. I just work from home 24/7.
So you freelance? You freelance for some stores or?
No, I really sell kits out of my store. I am doing some work for. I'm very proud to be doing some work for Mary Engelbright. She's an artist illustrator.
Mary Engelbright out of St. Louis, Missouri, y'all.
Right.
He's doing some work for her.
She does dollhouses.
She does dollhouses.
And currently, we've done a dollhouse. We collaborated together, and we're doing a dollhouse. And that's what it's selling pretty well. And she's asked for some more. And so that's exactly what we're working on.
That is great. Well, I know that people are going to be contacting you with a request. And before this gets out and folks start getting in touch with you and hunting you down, I want to ask you a question. I've got 2 4-year-old granddaughters that would love a dollhouse.
Well, I'll make them one.
Well, I will need to get the price. I'm not asking for anything for free. I pay for what I want. Because you've certainly done enough for me. But I would like to sketch off something and get back with you They're crazy about Frozen.
Oh, yes.
Everything's Elsa.
I know it.
So I'll contact you later, and you can think about it. You don't have to give me an answer right now because Christmas is not too far away, y'all. But Jim, God bless you. Thank you for this beautiful gift to Eddie and to me. And my husband was even speechless when he saw it.
Oh, I'm just so delighted. That just makes my heart sing. It really does. That's the best part about giving a gift. Right?
Yes.
It was my pleasure. And again, many thanks to you and Eddie. And I totally didn't think about Teresa.
I'll share.
Yeah. Eddie said he would share the medicine with Teresa.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. But it was truly my pleasure, and I truly do appreciate you sharing your life with us. Brighten my day watching your videos. I just can't tell you that laugh just makes me smile. I love it.
How sweet.
So
when I started doing YouTube, the pandemic had kicked off, and I said, we're all stuck in our houses. What can I do, to brighten somebody's day a little bit? And my son Bobby said, Mama, why don't you do shows on YouTube? And I looked at Eddie and I said, Eddie, why don't I do shows on YouTube? And so we got started immediately. And I said, maybe it'll bring a smile to somebody that's
really has.
Stuck at home.
Lots and lots of people.
Oh, thank you, Jim. I just can't thank you enough. And you have made my day. I send you much love and best dishes.
Well, thank you, Paula. I surely appreciate it. And thank you, Eddie.
Thank you.
Have a blessed day, Jim.
Thanks for blessing mine. Have a good one.
You too. Oh. Y'all, I've received a lot of gifts over the years, since I first started doing that first TV show back in, I don't even know what year it was, a good while back now. And I thank everybody so much for those gifts. Just for you to take time out of your day to think about me and send something my way. This is incredible.
Gosh, when I opened that box, I was like, he told me it was going to be a replica of the house, but I couldn't believe the detail in it.
Well, he did it. And the only thing I was telling Eddie a minute ago, I said, we need to go to a craft shop and look for some little bitty boxwoods, to put in the front. And we are ready for Christmas. Oh, and he apologized. He said, I didn't realize you had a hanging chandelier right here. So maybe we can find a hanging chandelier, Jim, so you can rest easy about that, okay? Thank y'all for watching. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.